How do you view your design in full screen mode here in Canva? So in the upper right-hand corner, if you're in a document that's essentially presentation size, you're probably going to see a present button. You could click on that and then present in full screen, but you may not see that button. So in the lower right-hand corner, you'll see these two arrows, which allows you to present in full screen. So we can click on those two arrows. That's going to full screen our design. And this could be any size design. It'll just full screen it top and bottom, left and right. Now we can go through the different pages in our design by either clicking on the right side or the left side to go forward and back, or by using the right arrows and the left arrows to go forward and back. So we can click through the different pages. If you just have a single page, obviously there's nothing to click through, but this is how you can full screen your design. Now, how do we get out of this? Well, we can move the mouse around, come down to the bottom and click this exit full screen, or we can just press the escape key on our keyboard, which is pretty universal to get out of any full screen mode in any program. That's how you can full screen here in Canva.